You've probably all seen those funny Will Smith videos eating spaghetti. Well, now there is a new trend, funny Gordon Ramsay AI videos. They've been going viral lately, and the quality compared to the old Will Smith AI videos is amazing. You want to know how to make those funny AI videos? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing Gordon Ramsay AI videos that will instantly go viral. And the best part, it is free and super easy. So are you excited yet? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, you could consider creating a video script and ask ChatGPT stuff like this. But no, this time we are going to freestyle it. The amazing free AI video generator we are going to use is called Hailuo AI. Lol, yes, a bit of a weird name, but who cares? So go to the website and then we can get started right away. And by the way, next to the video generation, I am also going to show you how to edit the video and add sound effects and Gordon Ramsay sounds. So yeah, there in the text box, you simply type what you would like to see. Let your imagination run wild, like, for example, Gordon Ramsay eating microwaves or bananas or whatever, it doesn't matter. Just try stuff out and experiment with it. And the press on the generate button. But okay, we first need to log in and connect our Google account. Okay, nice. Now we can use it for free and generate the video. While that video is generating, let's also generate other Gordon Ramsay videos. Gordon Ramsay dancing in a banana suit and eating bananas. Okay, as we can see, we can only have 3 videos in queue. I believe the generation of one video is around 2 to 5 minutes. That's not bad considering the quality is amazing. And guys, here is a dark secret tip you. Please do not tell anyone I told you this. If you happen to run out of credit, simply log in with another Google account, maybe from your parents' or friend's account. This way you will have like unlimited credits. But yeah, if you really love this AI tool, also consider supporting the creators. Swag. Okay, now we have here 3 videos that are ready. And we can see that for the last one, we suddenly need to wait like 11 minutes before it will start generating. Okay, let's watch the results so far. Okay. I wanted him to literally eat a microwave, but he seems just to be chilling and eating microwaved food. Let's download it. This one is amazing. LOL, not bad. So as you can see, we unfortunately have some pesky watermarks there in the right corner. If you get a subscription, you can generate videos without watermarks, but I am going to show you how you can remove them for free. Let's start with editing. Open up CapCut. It's a free and easy to use video editor. Now drag and drop the AI generated videos in there. Now next, we want to add some sound effects, and more important, Gordon Ramsay's voice. I will show you 2 ways of accomplishing this. The first one involves using 11 Labs. Here we can clone Gordon Ramsay's voice, and I am lucky because I already did this a long time ago. And it is really easy to do. Simply go to Voices and then add New Voice. And now we will click on Instant Voice Cloning. So give it a name, Gordon Ramsay. And now all you need at least 1 minute clear audio of Gordon Ramsay. And I'd advise to download an interview with Gordon Ramsay and then edit the audio in such a way that he is constantly taking for at least 1 minute. Then you can upload it and click on Add Voice. Easy like that. To use it, simply go to Text to Speech and now search for the Gordon Ramsay voice. Now just type anything you want Gordon to say and press generate, and then download it, of course.
This is so delicious. Oh God, this is fucking amazing.
Let's do that for the first 2 clips. And guys, if you do not like the first generation, you can regenerate it for 2 times for free without losing extra credits.
Let's try it. Fucking raw. Hey guys, yo, I am eating fucking bananas in a fucking banana suit.
Okay, great. The second way of adding Gordon Ramsay's voice to your funny Gordon Ramsay AI videos is by searching for a YouTube videos of Gordon Ramsay. For example, this one, where he is yelling and being mad. Simply get the audio of that video. Now you can put it in CapCut and cut the best pieces and use them for your video. Now we are going to get rid of that watermark. You could opt to simply enlarge your clips in a way that the watermark isn't visible anymore, but no, we are going to take a different approach. Go ahead and select all the clips, do a right click and press Create Compound Clip. Now, copy and paste that clip and put it above the other. Now go to Effects and search for the blur effect. And drag and drop it onto the clip we just pasted there. Now go to Mask and press Rectangle. Now simply put the blur effect onto the watermark. And voila! Edit and tweak it to your liking. Okay, next, it is time for sound effects. Simply download them from YouTube. I am going to add eating sounds and munching, and some car sound effects. And yeah, I was lucky, because I already have some of these sound effects downloaded in the past, so I just needed to search for them on my PC. Now also add some background music. Simply use the free ones in the YouTube audio library and add them to CapCut. Change the length and customize the volume if necessary. Let's add some extra Gordon Ramsay voice, LOL.
Ah!
Okay, for the final touch, we are going to add some filters. Go to Filters and add the Maldives and the center light filter. They are amazing, and be sure to adjust the intensity of the filter to your liking. I always like it to not use them to 100%. Now just export the video in 4K and you are done. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own amazing and funny Gordon Ramsay videos with AI and go mega viral. Let your creativity run wild and share it to the world. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Let's try it. Fucking raw. Hey guys, yo, I am eating fucking bananas in a fucking banana suit.
No, not refiring. Finish it! People will fuck off home.